Hello, welcome to Toy Stack. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be demonstrating how to deploy Superset application, which is basically an open source modern data exploration and visualization platform. So this is how the deployed application is going to look like. So this is the original site, Superset. So I'm going to deploy this on Toy Stack using the Remix feature. So when you click on Remix, you can find Superset over here. So we are to basically clone our own copy of Superset using this feature, which hardly takes 30 seconds or less than that. So when you're going to click on clone and start deploying, you're going to go and provide the name for Superset application. So I'm going to give Superset application name and create a clone. You need to update the access permission. Select Superset over here. So you can see our application is cloned and click on install. You can go back to the dashboard and click on configure and activate now. So you're going to provide the port number. I'm using 8088. Save changes. And next you can choose the plan from here. I'm going to choose Pro plan and proceed with payment and activation. So once you're done with the payment, go back to the dashboard. You're going to give the env variables, pass the env variables. I'm going to add. You're going to configure your Postgres database connection like string, like host name, password, port name, and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to drag and drop. So this is my env file. I'm just going to drag and drop. So this is my host name, password, port, and secret key. Right? Click on submit. So the database connection which I have connected is using databases feature over here. If you go and view it, you can see the host name. So I have given the same and username, port number. So once my envs are uploaded, I can go back to the deployment tab and click on deploy from branch. You can choose your branch. So master branch, I'm going to choose deployment validity as 1 hour on anything you like. Click on deploy. So your deployment starts. You can view your build and application logs. So as you can see, our application is deployed successfully and can be accessed at this URL. So it hardly took around 1 minute or less than that to deploy such a great big application. So you can click on overview tab and click on the URL, and you can see the Metabase sign-in page. So once you give your credentials for username and password, you will be able to view the same page over here. You can start using Superset directly. And also you can view the analytics part over here, which is so beautifully designed. You can view all the usage, CPU, network, memory, disk usage very conveniently. So go ahead and deploy on Toy Stack. Thank you so much.